In this lesson, we talked about letter of credit on blockchain. Today, we talked about letter of credit payment method on blockchain technology. But before that, one of the friends asked me about LC important issues. So, I'm not sure about date, but except this section, we're going to prepare two or more video um, about LC payments and talk about types of LC and important issues such as cheating in LC. And if you would like to follow up um, LC video series, you can come back to our YouTube channel or website to our every 2 days. Yeah. Okay, let's come back to blockchain and LC. In previous lessons, we talked about uh, blockchain mechanism, how it works, and we had another video about a smart contract. So I will mention that video link under this video and in caption. Okay, let's have a look at all transaction in the LC process. In a simple and basic LC transaction, we have 4 genuine players, at least 4 players, okay? Buyer or applicant, a person who applies for LC. The issuing bank, in fact, applicant bank which opens a LC. Beneficiary or seller who's supposed to supply a product. Seller bank or advising bank which makes the connection between applicant bank and seller. As a reminder, in the next video we will talk more about LC process in details, and I will give you more information. But for now, just focus on this image and see for a basic LC process, we have at least 9 transactions. Yeah, we have at least 9 transactions. Applicant request to open an LC here. Issuing bank announcement to the second bank. The second bank shares LC details with the seller. Seller send product or start services and share documents with the second bank. Here, second bank share the documents with applicant bank, and applicant bank pay money against the documents and then release documents such as bill to applicant, bill of lading. As you see here, we have about 9 transactions. It could be very important because it will take time and cost. And now, let's have a look at this process in blockchain platform. Simple explain about this mechanism. Here we have 4 folder. Okay, in blockchain, here we have only 4 folder, and they are all same and have a 3 property. 1, you can't edit or delete anything. You just can't add data, so there's no way for cheating. And number 2, as you add any data to one of the folder, it will be saved on other folder. I mean, you don't need to send data to other participants. To share data with other participants, just save it in your folder. And number 3, you can adjust an order on this method and transfer this relation to a smart contract. Yeah, this mechanism could be a smart platform, and you can connect shipping, insurance company, and inspection services to this banking relation. And it could be more than simple banking system, and you can adjust order as well as make a special part in this platform. Anyway, the thing that is very important, this mechanism can reduce cost and time, and have a magic effect for all businesses. And now some of the countries and banking system work on this platform, blockchain mechanism. We have also bill of lading on blockchain, and most of the shipping companies accept that, and it's not rare if we meet LC on blockchain platform. It will be great and helpful for me if I could meet your feedback. So if you would like, share your comments. See you soon.